Hi cousins, welcome back to another weekly vlog, and if you are new here, I go by Sasha Warui, and for the returning subscriber, welcome back.
Sorry, I don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Sorry, I'm so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body.
Hello guys, good morning. Okay, it's on Monday and I've made breakfast, and let me show you what we are having. So this is what we are having. We are having bread and avocado and a banana and black tea. So hi cousins, okay, let's go and look for driving school for my sister, so that when you are manifesting, you are ready. When God keeps blessing you, you are ready for the blessing. Let's go.
Sasa nafanya hicho kuna magia na clutch hiyo ni auto. Kwa hiyo ni ina bia iko tu na brake na mafuta ya kurasa hiyo ile test hiyo auto. Hiyo gari iko complicated, iko na clutch.
Now you have done assessments whereby now we normally assess you to see if you're eligible to do the exam, and these are two very parts. Just
Hey, hi cousins. So I want to make dinner, and today menu I'm doing mokimo. Okay, I've missed mokimo for long, so that's what I'm having today. So I went to the market and I got some potatoes, and I think these potatoes, because today I got this one with 100 shillings. So I think potatoes are season. Then I got the onions, the green onions for mokimo. This one makes tasty mokimo. Then I got beans and not beans, maize. This one is maize. Me with beans. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, this one is maize, and then I got green peas. Yeah, this one is green peas. Yeah, this one is green peas. In Kikuyu we call it Joshage Koyo. Yeah, so, and I'm making with beef. Yeah, my beef was boiling in the pressure cooker and it's done. Let me tell you one thing, me with the pressure cooker, people fear pressure cooker. Even when my friends comes to visit, they normally fear it, but me with the pressure cooker, I can't survive without pressure cooker. I just like to boil my beans, my meat. I love soft meat because of my teeth problem. Then I have small teeth. See, my teeth are so small, so chewy. I just have me with the tough meat. Okay, so let's go and cook. Let's go. morning. Hi cousins. Okay, it's on Tuesday. I've just woke up. I want to go and make breakfast. Yeah. And I've not yet done shopping. Because yesterday I was supposed to go and buy eggs, but I forgot to bring my trays. So I'm just going to make tea. Just a simple breakfast. Let's go.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free.
It's 12 and I want, after having my breakfast, I edit my vlog for this week a little bit before it's time.
Like waves on the shore. Every touch
This ginger shot is tasting something.
world's colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free, even in dark skies.
Hello, hey cousins, good morning. Okay, it's on Wednesday and yeah, I feel this week it's boring because yesterday I didn't vlog. Like the whole day I was so busy with work, so I didn't vlog. So let's see what Wednesday has for us. Yeah, so now I'm going to wash utensils. It's morning, just woke up. I'm going to wash utensils because my sister is not feeling well. She's cramping and her cramps are always the worst. Yeah, she always have irregular periods and it's high time we think she have to look for a gynae cause her periods has been on and off. It can go for 5 months without her periods. Yeah, and it has not started today or yesterday. It started when she was a teen. Yeah, when she started her periods it was like that, and that time I can say my mom could not afford the gynae. So we are planning of visiting a gynae so that she will be checked because her hormones are reacting and they're so terrible. Yeah, so today I'm doing her job. I'm washing utensils as I make breakfast. Let's go, cousins. That's how the kitchen looks like. It looks so bad.
Is there? And if you hear this song, then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. The DJ, please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love.
Shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love.
Please just rewind, let me shake it
She
to
love.
the max.
Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Are you dealing with the buzz?
Yeah. Make you come first, coulda never take a last. Yeah. Like a ball pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me fuck it. Girl, you make it cocky brad. Original girl, some of them.
Cousins, hey. Okay, I'm done with breakfast and I want now to remove my hair because it's not easy. Oh, it looks so bad. It looks so shabby. So I want to undo it. My God, I almost got scared. I thought my camera is falling. Is this LED light? Okay, I want to remove my hair. Yeah, I'm cleaning it and I think I'll do another cornrows and do this. Yeah. feel my mood want to be. Okay, let's go.
Anybody can touch this. Baby, I am not
And
a
it's so
hoe.
dirty,
Rice
so
and
I
peas,
don't
body
know,
hotter than
and
jollof. I feel bigger taste anyway, you see my pass.
And if you hear this song, then go on, bend your back. Go on, bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. The DJ please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Oh, so I'm done to remove it, so I will clean it and go and tie professional cornrows because I have nails. I can't do cornrows for myself. Hi cousins. Okay, I've washed my hair and I'm going to do it. I'm doing cornrows. Yeah, so I've just finished washing, so let's go. So I'm going to do grocery shopping. I'm having my bags over here. They're so clean. Yeah, because there's nothing in that house to be eaten. So I'm going to do my hair. I do grocery shopping and come back. Guys, I'm done. See my hair. I look so pretty. It's chicken. The way I normally tell you, it's yam. Kienyeji chicken. Yeah, so there's lot of rice. Hi cousins. Okay, I'm back from the market and I want to do a haul with you. I got 2 trays of eggs. Yeah, like I told you, I don't have any grocery, so I had to do some shopping. Today I got a big kienyeji chicken, which it has come 2 peppers. So I think you've seen there. So I've got the kienyeji, benjogo. See, they have slaughtered for me and sliced it for me. Yeah. And then I got chicken breast here. Here's the chicken breast, 1 kg. Then 1 kg of beef. I got these 3 of seeds. Mine is spoiled. Even I want to throw them away, but I can't see others. Got lemons. Here are the sieve. I got 3 of them. They were going for 50 shillings. These 3. That's why I got 3. And then I got broccolis. I got mixed vegetables, capsicum, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and then red bell pepper and red cabbage or purple cabbage, honey. I got 2 cabbages. 2 cabbages. These are avocados and oranges. Avocados and oranges. Then I got pawpaws. I got mangoes. And finally 2 pineapples. So that's all I've got today. Yeah. Let me clean, then we'll cook dinner.
I see the fire in your eyes. Don't let it fade, it's time to rise. The world is ours, no need to hide. Let's take the lead and feel alive. We're chasing stars, we're breaking rules. Our hearts are loud, we're no fools. Every moment we're in control. This is our time, this is.
Hi, hey cousins, good morning. Okay, it's on Friday, and let me tell you, I've never been so early like today. I've never been so early like today. Yeah, I woke up at 4 a.m. Yeah, I lost sleep, but I couldn't sleep anymore. I have a lot of thoughts, which I don't know it's thoughts of what. That's why I woke up very early. I woke up at 4. Yeah, I woke up to go and ease myself after battle. I didn't go back to sleep. I've tried to sleep, I couldn't sleep. Now it's 7. I'm making breakfast because I'm having dental appointment. So I'm making breakfast so that I finish early, and then I come back, I sleep until 4. Let me show you the sunrise. See the way sun is kissing my face. Oh my god, I'll show you. That's the sunrise. That's to tell you, today it's very cold. And it's kissing my face. Okay, let's go and make breakfast. Let's go and make breakfast.
Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. I got so high, oh I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Telling me you feel fine.
Hi cousins. Okay, I'm done getting ready. Putting on this green top and a black sweatpants, and then I'm going to bring this bag because it's a colorful bag. It's having green, yellow, all colors, so I'm matching with it. And then I'm having this hair on and the white band. So, and I'm going to put on the shoes, the sneakers. I'm going to put on sneakers because I'm going to run a lot of errands in town, so I have to have clothes shoes. So guys, see you in town.
Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body.
So guys, I've come back to the place that I came last Wednesday. Yeah, I'm done with the teeth until further notice. I'm done with the teeth. Ay, meno yangu mpaka inakaa vizuri.
Even you can't be grateful.
Yeah, I'm grateful.
You're not. That's not being grateful.
It's 12:22
My
and so
aunt
it's
is
early
here.
lunch now.
Yeah, this one is early lunch.
I
My
think I'm going to
breakfast,
work.
late breakfast.
Why are you so selfish?
Why?
You must be fine with that.
No. So inakuchukua kweli. So I'm going to have chapatis, cabbage, and beans. Everybody here is having that.
Yeah.
I'm here with my friend Baxter.
And with our
And my
stubborn
sis.
girl. And with our stubborn girl.
Hi cousins, good morning. Okay, it's on Sunday and I'm ready for church. Just got ready and I'm putting on this denim trouser with this t-shirt, this mommy jeans and this handle. And see, yeah, and this handle. So the t-shirt I got it from Mercy Closet. The mommy jeans I got it for Mr. Price, and also the sandals I got it from Mr. Price. So let's go. Hey cousins, okay, I'm back from church, and as you saw earlier, I passed through a Kayad in Westlands. I didn't know we have a Kayad in Westlands, but their cars are so expensive, and they were so beautiful cars as I showed you around. So at least now I've started to fall in love with the car showroom. I think I'll be going to visit car yards weekly and continue to manifest. And that's a wrap, cousin. Thank you for spending a week with me. See you in the next one. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye.